Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we learn how to use OTG pen drive or normal pen drive with the OTG adapter in Poco F4 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, you should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So this one is a OTG adapter. I will insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. Then I insert this setup to the Poco F4 5G smartphone like this. Now you can see in the notification panel. So this SanDisk USB pen drive is displayed. Click on explore. It will navigate into the file manager. You can see the files of the pen drive. If you want to copy any files from the pen drive to your phone, you need to click on the file and choose more and click copy. Then choose the internal storage. Now you can paste. So if you want to disconnect the pen drive or OTG, you need to eject first, then only you need to disconnect. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.